Hey friends, it's Lisa. Welcome and thank you for watching another one of my videos. So today I am so excited because it feels like it's been a hot minute, and I guess it's been like a hot 2 months, but I have a StitchFix unboxing. So if you've been watching my videos, I was receiving StitchFix monthly. And for a while I was so excited and I loved it, and then I kind of got burned out by it. I wasn't really happy with some of the boxes that I was getting, and I just felt like maybe I needed to backpedal a little bit and kind of slow down, and it was becoming a very expensive habit. So I went ahead and I slowed down it to every other month. So I received my last box in April, and now I have a June box. So just if you don't know what a StitchFix box is, there is a service called StitchFix, and it is a subscription clothing service. So when you sign up, you take a profile and you fill out your likes, your dislikes, your sizes, what you feel like you need, what you are looking for, and your price range. And then they will give you a personal stylist who will take that information and curate a box just for you. Now, StitchFix is for women, both in regular, plus sizes, petites. They're for men, and they also have StitchFix for children. So basically, you go ahead and each time that you get a box, it is a $20 fee. They consider that fee a styling fee. Now, it goes towards the price of the item. So if you end up buying an item, that $20 styling fee becomes a credit, and you can use that against the price of the item that you're buying. Now, if you buy all 5 items in the box, and typically it's always 5 items that come in the box, you'll get a 25% discount on the total order. And you can also use your $20 styling credit. So sometimes it equals that it is cheaper and more affordable to buy the whole box, even though you might not like some of the items, than buying maybe 1 or 2 of the items. So it kind of plays a little bit of a mind game with you. Any of the items that you do not like, you do receive a postage paid envelope for the US Postal Service if you're in the United States, and you can basically just put the items in the envelope and drop them in the mail. I've dropped them off at the post office, I've stuffed them in like mailboxes, it's all good. So I'm pretty excited. Like I said, I haven't gotten a StitchFix box for the last 2 months, and so I have no idea what's going to be in this one. I feel like StitchFix might be a little bit mad at me because they sent this to me. I got it on Saturday. It is now Wednesday, and they've been emailing me, "Are you ready to check out? Are you ready to check out?" I'm like, girl, calm yourself. I've been busy. I have not been able to open the box. So I'm going to open the box here with you guys. I've already cut through the tape, and this is the postage paid envelope that you get to put your items back in. This is the envelope of doom, as I like to call it, that has the information such as your invoice, and then also has the items that you have in your box and recommended things to go with it. The one thing I do like about StitchFix, other than it's kind of like a fun treat, is that they keep records of what you buy, and so in future boxes they might get you or send you an item and then call back to an item that's like, oh, you see this blouse? This goes great with those blue slacks that you bought 5 boxes ago. Or this cardigan goes great with this dress. So I think that's really cool of them. So here's my little meat package, as I like to call it. And it's summer. Well, technically it's spring, but it's June. And so usually I'm all about the cardigans and things like that. But I don't know what I'm gonna get because it's summer and I don't need garties. Oh, okay. I actually thought this was part of the wrapping. It's not. It's pure white jeans. Like, pure white. Holy crap. Oh my god. I'm gonna say, kind of off the top of the bat, absolutely not, because they are so white. Like, I could white balance my camera with this. Should just buy them to white balance a camera. I would instantly get this dirty, and then as a female, I'm constantly, you know, paranoid. So here are these jeans. These are the Liverpool no see-through white jean. Opaque fabric, incredibly soft, super stretchy, and keeps its shape. Oh, that's a hard, that's a big sell. And apparently this is a StitchFix exclusive. So we will see. Officially, this is the Liverpool Elizabeth super skinny jean, and it might be a size too small for me. Next, I have this. Ooh, this is like a very gauzy kimono. It's like a summer cardigan. I just realized kimonos are summer cardigans. I love it. Okay. I totally called this is a kimono. This is the Emery Park Landy Crochet Trim Kimono in light blue. I'm gonna just put this on right now. Oh, hi. Okay. Let's see. It is kind of like sweaty though. Not sweaty, it's just like the material already. Obviously I'm wearing a spaghetti strap tank top, but I feel like I'm like, huh, it's a little bit warm in here already. Next we have this blouse. This is the front, which is a black and white stripe blouse, but this is the back. It's a black and white stripe, and then in the middle there's random floral, and then the cuffs of the sleeves are also floral. This is the Pink Clover Laisha mixed print knit top in white. There we go. Ooh, is this a dress? Oh, okay. Oh, this is very long. I can't even show you. This is a dress. I'm doing such a great job. But it's long. It's long. But it's like a tank top type of dress with like the crisscross in front. This is the, oh, I'm wrong. It's not a dress. It's a jumpsuit. It's the Kaylee Lexi knit jumpsuit. Oh yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. It's a jumpsuit. Jumpsuits are cute and all, but when you gotta go to the bathroom, you know, you gotta think about that before you get a jumpsuit. You have to make sure that the jumpsuit makes for an easy exit, but like not an obscene easy exit, just like in the bathroom it's an easy exit versus like you're struggling, you need someone to help you, you're out of luck, you might as well be wearing a diaper. I don't know why anybody would ever buy clothes that are like that. And then the last thing that I have is this floral pattern long sleeve blouse with the zipper in the back like this. And this is the Paper Moon Laurie crew neck blouse in blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and try some of these on. I'm a little bit nervous, honestly. One, the white jeans, I think, just off the top of the bat, they might be one size too small for me, even though they're super stretchy. And something about white jeans terrifies me. I mean, I know it's summer, it's after Memorial Day, before Labor Day, you can wear it. Or is that just white shoes? And the jumpsuit looks really nice, but like I said, it's gotta, the whole thing has to work. It's gotta work in the top, it's gotta work in the waist, it's gotta be easy to take off, but not just like wanna fall out or fall off so that you fall out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and then I will be back. Okay, so this is the kimono, which I actually kind of love. It's gauzy, it's long. I kind of love it. Now, okay, don't mind my tank top, whatever. But I kind of love these jeans. But a couple things. I don't buy that these are no see-through because I just don't. You know, if you're wearing any other color than flesh or white underwear, you're gonna see it. So I think that's a lie. But they kind of fit amazing. Like, I'm not gonna be like, here's my butt, but here's my butt. So I kind of love them. Okay, I don't know. Like, I would wear them maybe with like this, you know, so you couldn't see anything, but let me jump up. Alright, so here's this shirt, and I'm gonna say no because I feel like I'm bandaged in, like I'm strapped in here. I think it's a really cute top. I like the sleeves. I think possibly in a larger size, but I feel very constricted in the chest area, and it would get it's very uncomfortable. Alright, so here's the stripes shirt. I think it's okay. I don't really understand the back and why it's the way it is, but I think it's a cute shirt, and it's a nice material. It's a nice soft material, although it's the type of material I feel like after a wash or two, it's going to pill. It's going to start pilling, or like pill under the arms where you rub a lot. So here's the last item I have, the jumpsuit. See? There's legs here. I mean, it's really flowy fabric, very giving. Like there's a lot here. It's very, like it's fitted here, which is great. And I love it on my shoulders and my chest area because I am tall. So sometimes I have problems with chest to waist ratio. But I like it because I feel like these straps aren't going anywhere. They're not going to slip. They're not going to be like pulling. I like the back. I kind of not like crazy about this part. Oh, there's pockets. Okay, this makes everything different. Like pockets. That's just, it's what a girl wants, it's what a girl needs. Thank you, Christina Aguilera. But I actually really like this. So, ooh, wait, this could be my combo here. I feel like I'm just like a 70s housewife. I just need like a martini, and I don't smoke, but maybe I could have like a lollipop or something to have like the long stick and just kind of. But I don't know if I like these two together, but I like these two items. So I'm back. I tried on the items. You know, things got serious because I had to put on my glasses so I could see what I was doing. So it is time now for the envelope of doom. Let's see. Oh, hello. Here are the items and some suggested ways to style them, and let's see what my stylist said. Hi Lisa, I'm so excited to be styling your 13th fix. Let's dive right in. White jeans are a spring and summer staple. The Liverpool jeans are the skinny cut and high rise you prefer. The pull-on style waistband makes them incredibly comfortable. The white and black striped pink clover mixed print top can be dressed up with the black trousers, with black trousers, and will look casually chic with the white jeans. Floral prints are in full bloom. The blue paper moon crew neck blouse will look amazing with gray trousers for work and the white jeans for a night out. The light blue Emery Park crocheted trim and kimono has a breezy, whimsical feel. Layer the kimono over a tank or a tee and finish the look with a long pendant necklace. The black Kaylee jumpsuit will look amazing on you and can be dressed up or dressed down with ease. How do you like today's fix selections? XOXO Gossip Girl. Just kidding, it's Jess. Okay, before I get into the prices, because this is where I start to really think if I need something. The jeans themselves, the design of the jeans were amazing. They were super comfortable, and I forgot to mention that they weren't actually a button and zip in the front. It was just like one piece with elastic. So I don't know if that technically doesn't make them jeans anymore, but they were amazing. And if they weren't the white material, I would probably say yes to them. I think one, they are see-through no matter what they say, and two, I can't get into my day within like 5 minutes without spilling something on myself. I'm clumsy. You know, I will be drinking coffee and like dribbles, I don't know how, get on me. You know, or I live in a house with a black cat and a gray dog that shed everywhere. So the jeans are probably a no. The blue top, it like did not fit around the bust, and unfortunately that's a no. The striped shirt, wasn't bad. I mean, at least from my angle it wasn't bad, so maybe it looked like trash, but I don't know. The kimono was kind of fabulous, and the jumpsuit was kind of fabulous. So we're gonna see what these items cost. Oh, and another thing I want to say, and I say this in most of my Stitch Fix boxes, in the more recent ones, I know that Stitch Fix is expensive. You're going to see that these items are highly overpriced, but I know this is because this is a luxury service. You're paying for a stylist to pick items for you and the novelty of opening them up. I get that. So I get that they're overpriced, and I could probably go to a store and buy more affordable items. But I do enjoy opening the box, and I like making these videos, and so that is why I continue doing Stitch Fix. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I actually had to back off of doing it every month because it was just becoming a way too expensive habit or activity for me. That being said, if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix for the first time, I will try to remember to leave my referral link down in the description box below, and that will save you $25 on your first Stitch Fix box where you make a purchase. And just full disclosure, I would get a $25 credit as well. So now we're gonna go open the invoice. All right. Whoo! Whoa, girl. These white jeans that are definitely not see-through and would get dirty within seconds are $88. Blue top is $44. This kimono, aka the summer cardigan, is $44. Print knit top is $36. And this jumpsuit, which I actually thought was going to be the most expensive item in the box, is $58. So if I bought all of the items, that would come to a total of $270. With the 25% discount that I would get for getting all 5 items, it would come down, I would take away $67.50 for a subtotal of $202.50. Then there is a styling fee, the purchase credit of $20. So you take that away, and my order total would be $182.50. I live in Pennsylvania. There is no sales tax on clothing in Pennsylvania, so it would stay that $182.50. Okay, the jeans are a no. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Even if those were the only things that I wanted in the box, I wouldn't get them just because I don't think they live up to their claims of being see-through proof, you know? And that for me is just a major no-go. But on fit, if they were in any other color, they're amazing and I would totally go for them. So if I wanted to get the kimono at $44 and the jumpsuit at $58, that would come up to $102 minus the $20 credit, and it would be $82. So I haven't decided yet. But if I am going to buy items, it's going to be those 2 items. So that was my Stitch Fix video. If you liked this video or found any of the information helpful, please think about giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. And until next time, I hope you guys all stay well. Bye!